All right, today we're gonna bring some camera draws accessories, and this is perfect if you have a GoPro. But I'm not gonna use a GoPro. I'm gonna use one of these 360 cameras, Go, and this is a GoPro that also is compatible with it. But like I said, it comes with accessory, underwater accessory for your older GoPros that you have. This is a waterproof if you change the accessory, so I'm not gonna need this, but it's good to have as a backup. The jaw's flexible, if you guys can see that, very flexible. I use it a lot for my shots, close and personal. Especially, they give you attachments, different corners. So we're gonna put it together, and I'm gonna attach my 360 Go on it and see how it works, and record some of this on this system and grab some good footage on it. So let's go ahead and do that and put it together.
Did Marty buy that Revlon?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, we bought it too at Target.
We're free.